only penguins to spread Christmas cheer.
We are the only Christmas display that I know of that's open during the day, kind of a thing. So we have folks come walk through during the day, daycares, nursing homes, all sorts of family type stuff.
Inside his Christmas display is where the real challenge lies. Polly says he'll have to take down his 35-foot Penguinzilla inflatable with the help of a few others tonight. He says as for the rest of his inflatables, he'll secure them as best he can. As Polly works to secure his inflatables, Evergy crews are hard at work too. Spokesperson Andrew Baker says crews focus heavily on tree trimming around power lines. Tree-related outages are the #1 outage across the country. Baker wants to remind customers who see a downed power line to assume it's live.
No person should come within 10 feet of a power line. And if a branch or object is in contact with that power line, do not attempt to move it. That's crucial.
Be sure to report any downed lines to 911 right away and follow up with Evergy. In Kansas City, Emma James, KSHB 41 News.
Any time of year, it's important to stay on top of the forecast. So head to the App Store on your smartphone, download our free mobile app. You'll get the forecast for your location and alerts when you need to be weather aware. A woman who ran an unlawful daycare out of her home faces a $41 million judgment in a civil case. You may remember Paige Hatfield of Olathe was convicted in 2019 of aggravated battery after prosecutors say she severely beat an infant, leaving the child with severe brain injuries. The father of the boy also filed a civil lawsuit. Today we learned that a jury awarded that father $41.5 million. Hatfield's attorney said that she does not plan to appeal.
A family has been arguing for 8 years that the police officer who shot and killed their son should be held accountable. Today, a panel of judges heard those arguments. KSHB 41 I-Team reporter Sarah PLAKE explains.
Ryan Stokes' family has been waiting for their day in court for 8 years, and now that day might come soon. The family was in a court hearing today. Stokes' attorney arguing to reverse a previous judge's decision that the KCPD officer who shot and killed Ryan Stokes should be granted qualified immunity. The officer, William Thompson, said he shot Stokes in 2013 because he thought he had a gun and was raising it toward another officer. The previous judge said it was a reasonable assumption and that Thompson wouldn't be prosecuted. But Stokes' attorney argued that he never had a gun and was raising his hands in surrender. They say they have evidence that Thompson never gave any commands to Stokes to drop a weapon or raise his hands. The family's goal is for a court of appeals to consider this and have a jury hear the case.
This is a new day and time, and there are changes that need to be made. The system is so broken to me and still broken, and we're here to try to fix that and change that.
Now the 3-judge panel decides what comes next. They should issue their decision within 2 to 6 months. I'm Sarah PLAKE, KSHB 41 News.